let's set the blade length. On the control panel, press the Condition/Test key. Press the down arrow key once or until this menu appears, and then press the 4 key for Blade Adjust. It will first tell you to turn the knob counterclockwise a couple of times, but since we already did that, let's press Enter. The tool head will initialize by making an up and down movement. The next step is to set the target length we desire. For instance, we'll be cutting high-performance vinyl that is 2 mils thick, so our target length blade extension should be set to 2 mils. All we have to do is press the 1 key for blade length target. Here we can press the up arrow key once until the value reads 2 mils. Keep in mind that if we were using thicker media, we'd increase this value. To accept this value, press the Enter key. To start the process, press the 2 key, and the tool head will move up and down to determine what the length is and what is actually needed. Here's the helpful part. After it does its movement, it will tell you what to do. In this case, it says to turn the knob slightly clockwise. Let's press the 2 key and check to see if the blade is extended far enough. It now says that we have achieved the target length and are ready to cut. We can now exit this menu by pressing the Escape key and press the Condition/Test key to exit the condition menu. As a tip, when setting the blade, some have found it faster to extend the blade by hand before mounting it. This is done by extending the blade by turning the knob clockwise just enough to where you feel a slight scratch of the tip. Next, take the blade holder in your hand and while it is in upright position, draw a circle on the material you plan to cut. Go ahead and pull up the circle. If it pulls up relatively easy, then the blade length is set. If, on the other hand, it is difficult to pull up, extend it a quarter of a turn, and repeat the process until the circle pulls up easily. Just make sure that you don't extend it too far to where it cuts through the backing.